So if you want to use your external hard drive on your LG TV, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you connect it via USB to the back of the TV. So if you go to the back of the TV, you will find a USB port. You just have to look for it. Depending on the model of your TV, the position might be slightly different, but I have mine connected just now, and you just have to give it a second to show up, and you're gonna see this menu that's gonna pop up right here, this menu that you can see here. So it's gonna ask you to choose media files, recordings, or just to cancel. So what you wanna do is come here to media files, and then you can just click on that, and then it's going to open up like this and go to the media player. And if you look to the left side right here, you can see that you can check for samples, and you can also see the name of your external drive right there, which is just over there. So then you want to make sure that you select it so you can be able to open. And then as you can see here, you can start to see the different drives that I have connected here, which are just basically partitions, but that's not important. So you select the one which has your files, and B is the one that I'm going to open up. So I'm going to open up like this and click into it, and then it's going to load, and then you can start to see your files. And then as you see your files, you can just go into any folder of your choice, just like this one here where I have some recordings of my PS5 footage. And then you can just go into any folder of your choice. Like I can go to any one of these, and I can just click on a file just like that, and it's gonna start to play anything that I would have played. So that's how you can use your external drive, just to open it up like that. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.